Hi friends! Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading everyone! Hello everyone, this is chapter 25. Let's start reading. Okay, why is she running? Alright, just getting late, going to the university. And what is this? Okay, someone's been scolded at the professor's office. Okay, who is that guy? Look around. She has failed to hand in her paper timely. Such a serious matter concerning Miss Wally must be handled at once, madam. Okay. Dahil ito, siya naman yung bully If we let it go unchecked, she will degrade the morality of our students. Ito lang naman yung bully dito sa school niyo I did not mean to offend her, but I was bullied by her. Wow! Oh, president of Haitian University. Well, everyone know that that girl is a bully, not her. Did I do anything wrong? Will you tell me, Mr. N? Sige nga, sabihin mo. You are here at the right moment. You bully your classmate in the ladies' room and misbehave in class. I'll report this to the president. Oh, really? Yung pamangkin mo yung yung bully tapos hindi naman siya nag-misbehave Nasagot niya yung question mo. Furious. Will you give me an explanation, Miss Wally? Oh my gosh, I can't annoy neither of them. One is the major shareholder and the other is the girl of the Lee family. The management of the university should deal with the bully and the vindictive teacher for personal grudges. Tama. I will handle them and I won't need your gratitude. She is awesome. I am the confident shining queen. You have seen this, madam. She hasn't realized her own mistakes. Really, wala naman siyang ginawa during your class. She even answered your question correctly. She will hinder her classmates from getting good academic performances. Talok ko, hindi ka naman magaling na teacher And she will bring shame on our university. Don't be a snitch, Mr. N. Creepy. Yung mukha niya dyan All the students will have high scores if they can be well guided by you. Low scores are not shame. Yep. You should improve your ethics before you teach your students, Mr. N. She's a sharp-tongued girl. Your biting remarks are solace to yourself because you are the worst student. The worst? How about making a bet with me, Mr. N? Diba? Sinister smile. What's that? The placement test is coming next week. This is what? Bagal Our bet. Okay, what's their bet? I want to know what's their bet. If I can have high marks to let myself be admitted to top class 1. But if you lose, you will confess in public to campus bullying together with your niece and resign, Mr. N. There or not? Taka, hindi ko naintindihan yung first part. Of course I will do, and you will kowtow through. And I will kowtow to you if I can't win. Really magkowtow ka talaga But you must crawl out of the university from the president's office if you are the loser. It's a deal. Diba? Nagot ka ngayon. Walang nagawa yung president kasi isa shareholder, yung isa naman galing sa Lee family. Oh, I should leave it alone. chirping. Oh, so cute birds. So what do we have here? How many Chinese characters? Answer. What day is today? Today would be Friday if yesterday were tomorrow. Question. What day is today? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday. What? Rumors say Mr. Ann and Miss Goofy have made a bet on her performance of the coming placement test, and she is busy with study. She is the worst student, and she will certainly lose. Some avid learners may have a good result, but some will create miracles. Miracles? System prompt 60 points of vented feelings. Max. Language talent. The achievement will consume 5 points of vented feelings. Will you unlock it? Yes. Max na naman. Extraordinary retentive memory. The achievement will consume 10 points of vented feelings. Will you unlock it? Of course. Next one, self-thought talent. The achievement will consume 10 points of vented feelings. Will you unlock it? Of course. I will make the impossible into possible. Go on, girl. Alright, let's check the next chapter if she could make it. Hey everyone, this is chapter 26. Let's continue reading. So, what do we have here? It's morning. Oh, on the day of placement test, 1 week later, so it's already a week. Small talk. So everybody is busy around the campus. Write your name, class, and exam registration number after you get the test paper. Okay, what do we have here? I asked teachers to set questions beyond the syllables for the placement test. Pinahirapan niya talaga yung exam. Not only for, sino nga yan siya? Miss Goofy. You may laugh now, but you will cry after the results are announced, Miss Goofy. She's smiling. So it only means one thing. She knows the answer. Super talent. Brilliant, beyond brilliant description. Diba? She's acing the exam. Nga ka ngayon, Mr. Ann, umanda ka na. You need to prepare your resignation letter. 30 minutes later. O, diba? After 30 minutes, nasagutan na niya lahat. Here is my paper, sir. Dapat hindi siyang ng exam na. Dapat iba. Para tawag nito? Para patas. Ano ba sa English yung patas? Basta yun. She has finished it within 30 minutes. She even must have given up the bed and have scribbled wrong answers. Really? Okay. You go check on them. And it should be checked in front of everyone. Let's see. She has given 3 solving processes to each equation. That's unbelievable. If the function, prove when, if the function. Solving process 1, scale algorithm. Solving process 2, methods of derivation. Solving process 3, L-Hospital's rule. May mga ganyang rules ba? May mga ganyan ba? Ngayon ko lang narinig. Whisper. You should find a new job as soon as possible, Mr. Ann. I don't believe that I should be defeated by the girl. Several days later. Please be a judge, madam. Wally has got the highest marks in all the subject except Chinese in the placement test. Don't you think it's strange? Nung strange dyan, ang strange dyan, naghahanap ka ng palusot para hindi ka makaresign. She must have cheated in order to win. Excuse me, I took charge of delivering the test papers. We found the papers of each subject had one missing when we were counting all of them. In addition, the monitors and files in the office have been damaged on purpose. Ay, sinadya. The test papers have been stolen. All of us can guess who has done this. The motto of Ho-Chun University: honesty, dedication, diligence, and creation. Miss Goofy should be expelled from our university for her bad behavior. I hope you can take back your words, Mr. An. Otherwise, you can't defend yourself after I repair the damaged monitors and files. You can repair the monitors? Don't talk big. You are incapable of doing this. I don't think it is an easy job to make a person of narrow view believe that he can be easily surpassed by others. You, stop quarreling. Just do what she says, Mr. An. Tingnan lang natin ngayon. Di siya natatakot sa Lee family, ano? Bakit kaya? Ganun ba din siya kayaman na hindi siya takot sa Lee family? Kasi yung president takot sa Lee family eh. Bakit siya hindi? Concentrate. Knowing that this girl is under the Lee family, she has been admitted to the top class 1 by dint of her talent. I finished repairing, and everyone is shocked. Because what have they seen? Bakit sila na-shock? That is what? That is what? Okay, we need to check the next chapter. But please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.